Hey, and welcome back. I'm super excited about today's video because it is the very first day of my 12 days of giveaways, where every single day for the next 12 days, I'm gonna share a quick holiday tip and give away one of my favorite things. Today's quick holiday tip is all about having a holiday planning binder. Getting organized, it's not just about, making things look nice and tidy. It's about saving you time, effort, and taking off some of the mental load. So I love creating a holiday binder that has all of my to-dos, all of my shopping lists, everything in one place. I meal plan in here. I have all the kids' shopping lists, even handwritten notes, but this is also the place where I store all of the holiday receipts. So when I buy something, I just slide the receipt right in this binder. I like knowing that everything that's up here is now in one place, organized. It's portable, so I can take it with me in the car or when I'm shopping, but it gives me peace of mind. You need to create a holiday binder too. I have a free printable that you can download. I'm gonna put the link below that has all of the things that are included in my binder. But even if you're just having a place for scrap pieces of paper, maybe your grandkids have written you a note or your kids have their Santa wish list, putting it all in one place is so important. Trust me, this is like holiday organizing 101, creating a binder. I just use clear plastic sleeves, and this saves me over the holidays. Okay, so are you ready for today's giveaway? Listen, for the next 12 days, there will not be end stories. The end story is the cool prize I'm gonna give one of you, starting with all things Clutterbug. Today I wanted to give you, one of you, all the things as part of my business. So are you ready for this? One lucky winner is going to win the Take Your House Back course, which I created with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and Dana from A Slob Comes Clean, where we walk you through step by step decluttering your home and taking back control. And then I'm going to give you the 30-day organizing boot camp. So once you've decluttered, I'm going to walk you through space by space as your motivational boot camp coach, helping you get organized everywhere from under the sink to your underwear drawer. We're going to do it together. And then once you're organized, I'm going to give you the Get Organized Like an Organizing Expert course. My Organizing Experts course comes with a certification, so you could be a certified organizational specialist and help other people get organized and get paid to do it. But wait, there's more! I'm also going to include all 4 of my books. So you're going to get 3 courses, 4 books for a value of $400. And all you have to do to enter is go in the description below and click the link. Sign up with your email and your name. There's also ways to win bonus entries. And then on December 16th, I'm going to choose one winner at random and contact you through email. Again, to enter to win over $400 worth of Clutterbug products. All you have to do is enter below. I'm going to put that link. I'll also pin it in the first comment. So click on that and enter to win today. I'm excited! And come back here tomorrow for another amazing prize. Every day for 12 days, I'm giving away incredible prizes valued over $10,000. So you don't want to miss this. I'll see you then.